Welcome to Looking at the Markets with me, David Moadel. And today's topic is going to be a little bit controversial, and I might not make a lot of friends with this video, but that's okay. Today's topic is daily stock alerts services are a bunch of crap. Yeah, that's a strong opinion, but I'm going to do my best to back it up with facts. All right, here's a question for you. Have you ever seen daily trade alerts advertisements boasting huge profits like these? Check it out. And I collect, you'll see these on the web, and I've collected a few of them for you to look at. Here's one that boasts 120% profit, 233% profit, 129%, and so on. Well, is it possible that they're only telling you about the winning trades, if those are even real, and not the losing trades? I think it is possible. In fact, it's quite probable, in my opinion. Besides, if they really were able to double their money every day, why wouldn't they just do that all day, every day? It's a good question, right? Surely they wouldn't spend their time building a website, posting advertisements, blogs and videos, posting on message boards, sending out newsletters, and so on. And they definitely wouldn't be spending all day in a trading chat room, which is what a lot of these daily alerts do, or that's what they advertise they do. Instead, they would keep their alerts to themselves, and they would double their money every day and become gazillionaires in a few weeks. They certainly wouldn't need your $99 a month or whatever it is that they charge for their alerts services. Because they advertise these daily alerts, they're obligated to send you trade alerts every trading day, even on days when there might not be any good setups or any compelling reason to trade. Think about that. In your trading, I don't know about you, but I don't find really compelling trading setups every single day. Maybe you do, and if you're a day trader, that's fine. But some days, I don't see anything that screams, you have to make this trade. And so it's okay to take a day off or several days off or even longer if there are no really good setups. But since they're daily alerts that they're advertising, they have to keep sending you alerts whether you really need to be trading today or not. And something tells me that they might be making more money from daily alert subscriptions than from the trades they're making, if they're actually trading at all. You have to wonder, right? Furthermore, their services, and I put that in quotes, can be very pricey. Now, I'm not saying that they're all this expensive, but some of them are. And I crossed out the names because I don't want to send traffic to them. This one, and it took me a while to even find the actual price. They didn't even list it until I went to the payment page, as if I was, just about ready to make a payment. And this one is almost $400 a month. It's $395 a month. I don't know about you, but it seems to me like a lot of money. Here's another one, and again, I collected these from all over the internet, and I crossed out the name of the company here. When you look at this, you might think, oh, $9.95. It's not too bad. Well, that's for the first 21 days. Then after that, it's $74.95 a month. And they have discounts, but they're still pretty expensive, even if you buy multiple months. And I mean, buying multiple months is pretty risky because, what if after a month or a couple months you decide you don't like the service anymore, but you bought 12 months and you're probably going to be stuck. And and notice that the trial 21-day trial price is in dark black font, and the much more outrageous, in my opinion, prices are in light gray font there. So you can, you can't even see them unless you look closely. And oh, check this out. How generous of them. 87% off. Special discount. Wonderful. And there's my commentary there. Yeah, if this is 87% off, what's the regular price? Yeah, I'm no mathematician, but doesn't seem like much of a discount to me. Here's another one. And, there it is. Monthly plan, pay only. I love that, only. $139 a month. Only? Jeez. And, they have a quarterly plan, annual plan. Still not that cheap. And, again, you buy an annual plan, best value. Yeah, okay. What if after a couple months you don't want it anymore, you don't like it, or it's just not working for you? Well, somehow I wonder whether they would give you back your money for all those remaining months. I have my doubts about that. Yeah, I don't know for sure, but something tells me you might be stuck if you prepay for a whole year. Here's another one. Get instant access. As opposed to what? They're going to make you wait? Of course. I hope it's instant. I crossed out the name of the company here. And oh, of course, you want to lock in your price before prices go up again, right? Instilling some urgency and fear into you. So hey, but you can choose your plan, $59 a month or prepay for a whole year. Still pretty expensive in my estimation. Sometimes you might see an advertisement claiming to offer free, and I put that in quotes there, daily stock alerts. Consider their motives. If their stock alerts were so great, do you really think they would give them to you, a total stranger, for free? Really, you think they're that generous? I don't know. Is it possible that they might try to extract money from you at some point? Not to mention that they usually ask for your personal information, like your email, in exchange for these, quote, free stock alerts. And, don't be surprised if you get junk mail from these people for a long time to come in your email. Or they could be pump and dump scams. They're trying to pump some penny stock maybe, and then they buy it up, and then you buy it, and then they dump it, they sell it, and now you're left holding the bag. Not saying they're all like that, but don't be surprised if that's what you get for these free daily stock alerts. As they say, if it's too good to be true, it probably is. Or if it seems too good to be true, it probably is. Well, in any case, if there's one thing I don't offer, it's hot daily stock tips or daily trade alerts for massive gains. Please avoid these big promises and instead focus on realistic goals and a solid trading plan. Anyway, if you want help with this, I'm not out to try to give you the latest hot stocks that are going to make massive gains. That's not what I'm all about. All right. If you'd like a more conservative strategy or a plan, an overall plan, so that you can, make steady, reliable, solid, non-risky trades on your own, please feel free to give me send me an email. And my name is David Moadel, and you can reach me anytime at davidmoadel@gmail.com. Thanks, and I hope I saved you from a lot of trouble, and do your own due diligence, make your own decisions, but think twice before you consider subscribing to a daily hot stock alert. All right, thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you again soon.